The longer part of that is facing forward, and the beveled side goes on first. And then put your washers on again. Clean those up, put a little more grease on them. You know, grease, anti-seize, something just to help them slide. The nut back on there. Continuing on here, what you do is just hold this as you tighten these two together. And like I said, you want to watch the shaft here. If it starts to spin, you want to back it off and make sure everything's still tight. But as it starts to go, it'll hold itself better. So just keep driving. Now the shaft, this shaft here, and the washers are smaller than what the supercharger shaft is, so it'll stop when everything's pressed nice and flush. And like I said, it'll be a positive stop when you hit that point. Let me get kind of close here. This will work, this puller works with, there it is. Break it loose. That stuff off, and your hub is installed. Now we just bolt the pulley to it, and that's all there is to it. Put it back on the car and you've got more boost.